In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use music players on card.co. First, open your site in the card editor. From your dashboard, click the site you want to edit so it loads in the builder. You'll see your sections and elements on the canvas along with the panel where you can tweak settings. Make sure you're in the correct site if you have multiple projects, so you're editing the place where the music will live. Next, decide where the music player should appear. Scroll the canvas to the section that makes the most sense for your layout. Many creators place a player near the top for quick access, while others prefer a dedicated listen or music section so it doesn't distract from the main call to action. Think about how your visitors will interact with it. A hero section gives immediate exposure, a lower section keeps the page clean. Now add the element that will display the music. Click the add button, the plus icon in the editor, and choose embed. This element is how Card supports services like SoundCloud and Spotify, as well as custom HTML audio. If you don't see the option to proceed, that's because embeds are a paid feature. You'll need a Card Pro plan to use it. If you're prompted to upgrade, choose a plan that includes embeds, then head back here. With the embed element selected, you'll see a field for your code. This is where you paste the embed provided by your music platform. For SoundCloud, click share on your track or playlist, choose embed, customize the player style if you want, then copy the code. For Spotify, use the share option, choose embed, and copy the snippet. If you're using HTML audio, paste a valid audio tag that points to a hosted file URL that's accessible to the public. In any case, make sure the code is complete and cleanly copied to avoid rendering issues. After pasting, you can adjust the sizing and placement in Card. Setting the width to 100% helps it fit nicely on mobile. If your embed supports options like autoplay or looping, consider user experience and whether you want music to start automatically. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring controls are visible. Finally, save your changes. Click Save in the editor so your work is stored. You should see the player appear in the canvas. If not, double check the embed code for any missing parts or extra characters. That's it. Your Card site now includes a polished music player ready to enhance your visitor's experience.